The first part relates to you buy something. The example that you took is your supplier is somewhere in Tamil Nadu, you are here. The supplier has not paid his part to the tax, so the board comes to you. See, the larger issue when this decision was taken in the council was, if you as a buyer is not able to track your seller, can the government do it? And for how many people can the government do it? So the GST Council discussed all this and only then took this rasta. So let that remain there. But the other side about how settlements are happening, how IBC is, resolution professionals are settling things, that's a different side of the story, but has an impact on this. I agree. So we have to take a picture on this. It can't just always be that you have no contact or no hold over your supplier. But at the same time, can you for each time that you buy a stuff be held responsible? There are legitimate questions here. I don't ignore them. I'm not saying no, I don't care about them. We'll have to have a more comprehensive discussion in the GST Council. But it's also not fair to say I buy one from today, another one I buy from somebody else, so it's not my responsibility. That much if you and your seller relationship is not even clear, the government is just not going to be able to function as much as you. Can you go on changing your supplier? And will you? And do you? So there are a lot of questions, but the concern is well recognized. It's taken cognizance of. The next GST Council will get into the details.
Thank you. A very small issue on GST, the 16.4 invoice, there is a cut-off date, and for first year the cut-off date was extended to 30th November, realizing the difficulties in the portal and everything. And now the amendment has taken place that forever 30th November would be the date. Only in between 2 years have left. First year, from October it became November. From 22, again it became November forever. But this 18-19, 19-20, that remains October, and some people have that 9 days delay and 10 days delay because of the same difficulty that reconciliation is taking place at the vendors end, or there is some difficulty in filing and GSTR 2 has not been notified. So
I'm sure the council will take a good call on it. They're conscious of it.
Thank you.
Rushing through the snow.